I'm Evelyn Nwogwu. I'm a finance professional, about 13 years experience within the financial services space. I work with ARM Investment Managers as a financial controller. Okay, I really wasn't looking to delve into financial modeling, but I was privileged to attend the DAMC event earlier in the year, that's Data Analyst Modeling Conference. And I got to speak with David Brown, and he introduced the Financial Modeling Academy to me. And one thing that really caught my attention was the deep discount was coming at. It was coming at a very affordable rate. So I was like, why not? Plus, I had other trainings with D Brown, and my expectation was really high. So I felt, why not give it a try? So I jumped online and joined the cohorts, the early cohorts, writing the exam. And trust me, no regrets. It was good value for money. So yes, I'm a finance professional with finance background, but we had people from different spheres within the cohort, and everybody, to a very large extent was able to, keep up. I feel like the academy there was value, double value. One, you're able to brush up your skills as a finance professional. Even if you didn't have any finance background, you get to have some bit of finance experience, plus the financial modeling skill. It was a very great experience. The journey was smooth. The D Brown Consulting gave all necessary resources and support needed for one to succeed along this financial modeling journey. The sessions were very interactive, or let me say the videos were very interactive and properly structured. It was delivered flawlessly. And then we had weekly live mentor sessions where we had interactions with David Brown and the rest of the cohort. And then we got to see different perspectives to different things. So you never attend a live session and leave without value being added to you. So the whole journey was very expository, very insightful, and we were prepared 100% for the exam by the time we were ready to go.